Hello genders, how are you all? I'm gonna do a swatch video today, so let's dive right in. Here we go. You see my markers, right? Do you remember when I was showing you this product in my previous one of my art supplies wallet video? I told you guys that I do a review video on it. So here I come. Today in this video I'm gonna review this product. And this is the markers, you see, acrylic markers that I bought from Chinese online shopping store. And the packaging, it's really not fancy. It is very much like average, you see. But the top of that, I really like the colors of the markers. It's quite vibrant and really like silky, smoothie, something giving me a like vibe, like how to say, it's like a rainbow, something like that. I really like that. From this view, I really like it. All the caps of these markers are really pretty. And you see this packaging thing, I mean the style is not really fancy. I mean, I don't like it. Why so average, huh? Well, if you want to know more details about this, then go check out my previous video. You'll find the details about this product. But the thing is, I want to do a swatch video on this leaf and this textured paper and another thing on this glass, I mean this cup, tea cup, because I want to know about these markers, that if it's really good or not. This is my first time I'm gonna use this acrylic marker. I mean, I never used acrylic marker before, so I'm a little bit excited. You see, this really looks beautiful from the outside. The color is really pigmented. I really like it. Well, I'm picking up marker randomly. I'm not like systematically picking up marker from this box. So I hope you don't mind it. You see, one thing you will need to notice about this marker is that the tip of this pen is quite steep, and which is why when I rub the paper with the pen to paint, the chopped fibers of this paper come out as a result of this rubbing. It seems as if the paper is being torn from the paint, but that's not like that. That's not a big deal though. But can you see it? Can you see it? Take a good look. Can you see the tiny fiber that attached to this marker? I'm the tip of the marker. That's what I was talking about. I really like this markers, like this is really pigmented, and I wanted to try some markers, I mean some acrylic markers, so I bought this from Chinese online shopping store. This marker is one of my Chinese friends. She is a good artist and she suggested me this. This is quite cheap though. I mean, Chinese products are quite cheap, and she suggested me this one that she uses sometimes, and I mean she loved to use this product and she suggested me, so this is now in my hand and this is my time to use it and try it. Look, I'm picking the marker randomly. I'm not systematically doing this. and it's quite fun. I have used acrylic colors before, but the ones that come in a bottle or tube, and these are the markers. The ones available in bottles or tubes are very different from these markers. I feel like, this is my personal opinion, I feel like the colors that comes in bottle or in tube are more thick, and the markers, the marker one is a little bit liquidy, and it's not that shiny comparatively the bottle one. So this thing, I feel the difference is a huge difference. And there's one more thing, that the colors that are available in bottles or tubes, I feel like what I used to do was pick up the colors with a brush and then paint them. Like, it's on me, it's all in my hand. Like, how I draw everything depends on me, on my will. But these markers don't have that thing. I can't move my hand too much. I'm facing difficulties while using it, but I will get out of it and I will learn better. Well, do you know there are actually two types of these markers out there? As far as I know, that there are one that has a stiffy head, and like this one, and the other one has more like brushy head. And more like brushy head is like you can move your hand according to your will, according to your desire, that what you want. If you want a fine line, then you can do easily with that kind of markers. So now I feel like that's what I really want, and I will buy that. I want to buy that one as well, but before that I have to finish these colors first, or I'll be dead. Like, literally, my mom will kill me. But trust me, my friend suggested me. I really like these colors. This is so vibrant. You can see neon color, it's kind of like that, and so pigmented. This is the most important thing that I really like about these markers. And the colors of the markers, each and every marker has its own color, and it's showing so beautifully, showing it in the cover. I really like these markers, but I'm not liking the tip of these markers. I made this video too long. I didn't do it intentionally, so I split it into two parts. This is the first part of this swatching video, and in the next part I will show you the rest of the stuff that I'm gonna try these markers on, like if it's coming off or not. So you see, I'm gonna try in the next part on this leaf that I showed in the beginning of this video, and the textured paper, and that teacup that made of glass. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope that you share your love to this channel, to this video. Comment down which color do you like the most, and share with your loved ones, share with your artist friend. And there's one more thing. Look at the black color. This is so dark, but there's one thing that it's spreading. Okay, so we'll learn about this marker later on. Keep in touch, share your love, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.